tests on quantum random generated numbers. Huge shout out to Lightrider for sponsoring my video and also giving me access to IQM systems. So all of the quantum things today I did with IQM. So here you can see that I have gotten random data from a quantum computer here. I've already extracted this and saved this. So now basically what I'm doing is I'm putting Hadamard gates here. Now what this does, it puts everything into a superposition so I can get random data out of the quantum computer. So now we save this, and right now we have in the display we have sorted it, but actually we're going to jumble it up. Now this is not going to be perfectly random. So what we're going to do, we're going to debias it. So we're going to debias it by SHA 256. So here, this is the way we're going to debias it. So we take in the data, we debias the data, and then we give it to NIST. We give it to NIST so they can certify the quantum data. And as we can see here, this is the debiased data. These are all the tests that it ran. Now you can see that it has failed none of them. It has passed this one. This means this donates failed test, and you can see that none of them have it. So it passed all the tests, and this is the score out of 8. So you can see it's 7.77. Now let's look at some other ways to generate randomness. So let's look at the urandom. You can see that it is 6.66, and then PCG64, it's a different way of generating randomness, 6.7. And then we have Mersenne generation randomness, and you can see 6.9. So you can see that our quantum generated data is more random than most algorithms to generate random data. This shows that quantum computers generate randomness, although it's not perfect all the time, and we do need to do a little bit of debiasing so we can get proper randomness out of it. And now this data is available through pip. So if you see here, now we can do pip install Lightrider. So this is a package. You can install it yourself. And then you can do from Lightrider import IQM series. This is the quantum computer which I got the data out of. And then you can use this command to get random data. So this is how many numbers you want to generate. This is the low, this is the high, and this is the step. This last one is optional. So let's say I want numbers between 1, I want 10 numbers between 1 and 100. So you can see this is 10 numbers between 1 and 100, but let's say I want them in 0.001. That's the step. You can see I get 10 numbers from 0 to 100. I can change this however I want. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Bye.